We're getting a lot of rain, and there is a problem in the workshop. I have a leak. This is where the water ends up. Let's see if we can figure out where it comes in. This box is wet. I just saw a drip. Water is dripping right here. Aha! Found a clue. I can't see where the water's coming in. I'm going to go on the other side of the ladder. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, yeah. This channel full of water. I think I see the drip way at the end of the channel. I need to move some of these bins out of the way. I think I found it. So there's the culprit. Second bolt from the end. Follow the water all the way to that truss. Okay, now I know what to do about this water. I need to get up on the roof and tighten that bolt. I think I have found my culprit bolt. Bolt's tightened, fingers crossed. The leak, the former leak that started up there, came all the way over, came all the way down, is no more. That feels good to finally get the leak. However, it wasn't the bolt I thought it was. It was something else. Ended up having to get the wife to crawl way up there on the shelving, and I tapped around on the roof until we figured out exactly where it was. And it was a little deceiving, but now it's fixed, so all is well, or I should say, all is dry.